I'm going to create a new substance. Now you can base a substance on a reference substance. So I can select one. Now I'm going to base it on benzene here. And you can see it's put the name of the reference substance into the substance. Now you can edit this, but I'm going to leave it the same. Create. Open the substance. You can see the substance name is now the same as the reference substance. And the reference substance is in the identification of substance here. I'm going to open it. And then scroll down, and you can see that now the structural formula, the image file, is rendered, so you can actually see what the structural formula is.